Aaron does or does. Comment DOOZ, which is does, or DOAZ, which is does. And I'm with my dog right now. Got him a new toy, and I'll show you that my dog can do parkour. Oh shoot! He's biting the heck out of me. Ow, 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 ow. Ah! On it. Come on, get up. Guys, I almost fell, so. Well, he's on my leg right now. This is not going as planned, actually. I need him on here, so as you can see. And then we're here, and he'll go, and he will go on top of there. That's not what you do, Marlo. What the heck? Wait. Okay. Let's do this other trick. Okay. Hey, that's not you! What the heck? Look, look, look! I'm going to show you again. So, I'm going to step on this, and then this. He does that. Mom, come, look! Look what he can do! Seriously? Not that. Seriously, Milo? Say, Mom. My dog loves my mom more than me. Holy jeez. What happened with the focus? Okay. Okay, so okay, look. Come on, Milo, you can do it. Milo. This is no longer. The dog just got his paw stuck in here. You okay, Milo?
Huh?
You okay?
¿Qué pasó?
Are you okay? Where are you going?
I'm not.
I want to stay with you.
No, you're gonna go to see your sister.
I want to go here.
That's not nice.
Oh.